So today we're going to be dividing 1 or 2 digits by 100. Now I'm going to go before dividing numbers by 10. So now we're going to go dividing by 100. So it's a similar pattern. So when you're dividing by 10, numbers get 10 times smaller. So they move one place value column to the right. Now, when you're dividing by 100, things get 100 times smaller. So then we move 2 places along our place value chart. So the same thing as dividing by 10 and dividing by 10 again. That's what dividing by 100 is. So we're going to be dividing. That is to share things into smaller groups. So we make numbers smaller by dividing them. We're going to be using the term 100 times smaller because that's what happens to numbers when you divide them by 100. We're going to be using tenths and 100ths. When you divide 1 or 2 digits by 100, they're always going to have decimal answers. So we're going to be moving places into the tenths column and into the hundredths columns. There's that word decimals because, again, when we divide 1 or 2 digits by 100, they will give decimal answers. A place value chart, we're going to be using this to move counters and numbers 2 places to the right as they get 100 times smaller. And there's a word in there, pattern. So there's a problem-solving question later on when you have to spot a pattern. So you have a look at links and what you can see has happened so far in order to predict what you will happen or what you think will happen next. So today we're dividing 1 or 2 digits by 100.